You are trying and still not able to find a right solution. Why is it so? The real reason is not that you are not trying in a right way. The real reason is there is a problem that is there and you are not able to identify that problem. So, the most important thing is to identify a problem. Once you identify a problem, you would set the goals and work for a solution to it. Now, how do we identify a problem? Sometimes it so happens that you constantly try, you think that you are in the right direction and this is how this thing has to be pursued, but you never give a other thought to it that this is not the right thing, this is not the right path. So there are two good techniques that we should follow. One is how might be. So how might we be, that is the idea. That means what should be the other side that I should explore. The another important thing is a wanderer method. Wanderer method, who is a wanderer? Wanderer is a person who just roams around. And similarly, this wanderer method actually tells you to oversee the thing that is a problem for a day or two and then come back to the same thing after a day or two. When you come back to the same thing after a day or two, you would look into it with fresh eyes, and that would make sure that you are able to identify the issue afresh. And this is the right way to identify a problem. Identification of the problem is the most important and the crucial thing that you must understand. Once you have identified the problem, there would be solutions that could be laid down automatically, because you can set down the goals for your life and prioritize the things that needs to be done. So focus on where the real problem lies, and once you identify the real problem, you would be able to work for the solutions for it.